What the?
Sponsor me, Walmart, please.
These boards are something else.
All right, guys, we are here with a Walmart board versus...
Another Walmart board?
This is the Tony Hawk special, though. You know what I've seen on this? I was like, it literally says level 3 pro skater.
What does that even mean?
And what makes me wonder is there level 1 and 2? Like, is this level 1? This is Mad Gear, Australia. See the full range here.
And this is Tony Hawk's signature series, so I think that this is different than a regular Hawk board. I think this is about as good as it gets right here. There are similarities, like the plastic covering the board.
Yeah.
Hardware being over.
Yep.
Do you have the little, the trainer on that side to stop? Okay.
Got the little trainer. Yep. On the same wheel, too.
On the same wheel, we got
the wheels looking awfully similar as well.
The wheels look very similar. We got this little plastic piece to hang it on. The glaring difference though, AK, which is why my deck is gonna be better than yours, is that I got the metal, you got the plastic.
It's true.
I'm thinking that I have the better board, and I'm thinking I have the advantage here, and I'm thinking I'm gonna win this game of skate.
All right.
What do you think?
I'm thinking you're right.
I mean, what better place to do it? You know, we've played many games of skate here, in that parking lot over there, right here, with many different Walmart boards, many of which being Kryptonics.
I know, it makes me wonder how many Walmart board videos have we ever made?
I mean, I think if you're looking at Kryptonic quality versus this quality, this is probably about as good quality of a Walmart board currently available.
But the Kryptonics, they never had these sick graphics like that.
That's true. All right, how do we get these off?
This is for ages 5 years plus. I am 41 years old. The thing I'm most worried about is this. How do I get this thing off? Like, how's that gonna work? Wow, this grip tape is really grippy though. Like, it actually feels really nice. Feel that, D? Should probably make a tutorial on how to open a Walmart board. You know how there's like those TikTokers who will be like, I'm learning to skate. I saw this one and he like had a Target board and all of his comments were like, get a better board. What are you doing? You can't learn with that. And I was like, we taught the kids well.
Yeah.
Not only you got the metal trucks, but you have the foil, the gold foil. I think the way we're gonna have to run this is we do straight to the Rochambeau, no warm-up tricks, no nothing, straight into it. So just to do a little comparison, this Tony Hawk deck, I just realized for the first time has 2 blue wheels, 2 red ones.
Come on, put them on the ground like this. Tell me mine doesn't look like it could potentially be a regular board, shape-wise.
Yeah, it's a little bit wide on the tail is the only thing, but it does look decent. In mine, it looks like the nose should be a tail.
Does that remind you of anything?
The snake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me too.
I'm dead. He's gonna toast me. He's gonna.
Oh no! No!
Level 3 pro, Gabe.
Signature series. What the? Why?
This is level 3 pro.
What? No, it's not, dude. This.
Wow.
Oh my, dude.
How many kids got this for Christmas, though?
Too many. One is too many. Oh my God,
Straight
dude.
to the kickflip.
You think after skating so many of these over the years, they just at some point would just regress to the mean and just be somewhat at an average level of quality. But God, this is so bad. I think it's the board is fine, but just what bearings, what wheels are they using? This is just silly. I had such high hopes.
Wow. I almost missed that.
I don't even think I can land that. Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, first of all, be careful. You almost went backwards into the spikes.
A freaking icicle.
I know.
We might as well be playing skate on an ice rink. And I've done that before, so I know.
It's because the wheels are not urethane, they're plastic.
I chose wrong. Should have done Mad Dog Australia.
You think?
I think so.
No way. Try.
No, I can't. Breaking the rules.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. I think Mad Dog Australia is just as bad, if not worse. See, he went with the metal trucks. Smart metal trucks, but the plastic trucks are light.
The quality of truck makes no difference when you're riding these wheels and bearings, bro. Honestly, it's sad. Like, I hope no one ever has to learn how to skate on them.
But if you're a kid and you get one of these for Christmas, go to the skate shop and ask them, hey, do you have some spare wheels? Probably the answer is yes. Wheels and bearings, you're set.
That would change everything. Because I'm not gonna lie, this quality of actual deck doesn't feel terrible.
Yeah, not bad.
It is the wheels.
Wow. We are not worthy.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, this one's for you. Ouch! That hurt. Spiritually, emotionally, physically.
I take everything I said back. Oh, that's gotta hurt.
It's not gonna hurt as bad as this popsicle. Okay, I can do this.
Best heel flip I've ever done.
That was a good heel flip.
I'm telling you, the board is good. The wheel's trash.
No!
Yeah! S to S. You've drawn blood.
S to S. Secret Service. No way!
They're breaking in. It's getting better.
There's a trick that I hate more than anything in the whole world, and it's this. Fakie 3 shove, and he knows it. He just threw it right into my face, just like that.
Oh.
SK?
Oh, yeah.
I ain't scared.
Oh, yeah, you should be. You should be. Oh, I'm playing real dirty now. Look, you see? One push sends me across the whole way now. They just had to get broken in a little bit. Okay, so I see the point that you're trying to prove. Respect, okay? Yours does the one roll across as well. We're even in that regard, but what I will say is the deck quality that's gonna set me apart right here, and it's gonna bridge the gap in our skill level of skateboarding.
Wow. I'm not lying, I'm a little bit scared of this.
Yep.
Not as scared as I was of that heel flip though.
Okay. You
Count
made
it?
it work. You made it work, and I respect it.
Toe drag, defense. Wow.
I understand it now.
What do I do here, Derek?
I mean, what can you do? Because there's not much.
Okay, I got one. I got one. You ready? This is the ultimate test for Gabe.
Oh, no, you're not.
We just did a video earlier where he did 3 nollie flips, and it's all down to the pressure right here, right in his head. If he can nollie flip the Tony Hawk skateboard.
I'm not looking at him. I'm not looking at him. I'm just looking right here. It's just you and me here. No one else here.
You did it! You had it!
I wanted that so bad. SK.
I'm okay.
He's playing as dirty, if not more dirty than I am.
Frontside flip's not dirty.
Really saying something. That is saying a lot right now.
I was gonna do varial flip, and then I was like, oh, he just tried that.
Okay.
If you need to put on those shoes,
I might have.
it's like be like the ultimate Walmart. That's what we should do. Walmart full outfit.
Yeah.
T-shirt, pants,
Yeah.
shoes, and board.
As we're set up right now, it wouldn't be that bad.
True. This is the Gabe Cruise. This is for Cruise. Girl, dang. You're lucky your girlfriend's not watching this video right now. Wow!
Lucky your wife's not watching this video right now.
It was good. No cap. Okay, that's it. Now I'm getting dirty.
And
Dang it.
What realm are you setting varial heel on offense?
I think this is where I learned varial heel as well. Wow! Girl, that was straight fire.
Dude, that was stupid.
For some reason, fakie and nollie both work really well on it.
All right, this I'm gonna make up for it here.
Wow, I knew you were gonna do that. You suck. Okay, that was really good.
Thank you.
Now I'm shaking in my boots. Dang it!
Let's take it up a notch then. Let's expand on that. Let's expand upon what was just developed right there in the spot that I learned it, but one less flip. Oh,
I was gonna say no.
dude,
you
this thing
didn't.
is good.
No, you didn't.
I want you to skate this after. It's pretty good.
He went from this is the worst thing ever to this thing's good.
Yeah.
Put those shoes on.
Ah.
Don't.
No, I'll give you Walmart good on that one.
That was it. It's
Dang.
it's all in your head.
It is in my head.
Okay.
Good game so far.
Okay, you know what I'm good at? This.
Oh.
Thought I was gonna fart.
Oh.
He knows me too well. I'm not gonna fart. I'm gonna land this. Girl. Wow! If you would have landed that.
God, I wanted that so bad.
Okay, dirty then.
I mean, we've only scratched the surface.
Of dirt?
Yeah, but we can go really deep now.
No, I gave up before I popped. Straight to the disco flip. I just flat spotted them. Yeah, look.
Oh my God.
Please sponsor me, Walmart, please. That's it, for the W. Right here for 1984 Denver Broncos.
I need you right now. Oh my good Lord.
Wow.
That was.
That's another one that you randomly just do.
Yeah. It's broken. The board is broken. Dude, I broke the board. No wonder. The freaking board is fully broken.
He said I broke it in too much.
No
He
way.
broke the truck.
It fully broke. There's no way. That's crazy. Is the plastic okay?
So the metal truck broke. The plastic is going strong. Who would have thought?
Dude.
Look at that. Broken truck. Okay, well, play it as it lies then. I think we know what board is the champion now. Mad Gear Australia, shout it out. I can't stop laughing.
These boards are something else.
Wow, with the broken trucks? See, the big question here is off the tail or off the nose?
Tail. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, for that one, nose for sure. Just because you have more to pop off of.
Oh, I could have had it. I could have done
You're
that.
coming back.
Walm. I'm a walm. If I get a letter on a double flip, I will never live this down. No! And I landed primo. Okay, we're still in this. We're still in this. What the? Heel flip body varial. Disco flip for the kids.
You know, this was hard to skate when it was broken. Then I took one step on yours and realized how blessed I was to have this one. And it flipped something in my mind.
Disco flip, but when I was a kid, you know, we called this the heel flip sex change, but we don't say that anymore. I can't.
You actually really could do that.
I know, I could, but I can't.
could.
Yeah, you better talk to D. So you give me one more turn, I'm doing tray revert.
Oh, half heel? Half heel?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Tremble before my might!
Enemy felled.
Cut that out, sorry.
Cut that in.
That was a wrong choice, D. Oh, you.
Wasn't the cleanest. Frickin' hell. All right, I ain't gonna lie, that was the most fierest fakey varial flip I've ever seen in my whole life.
Dang it.
Yes, sir. You trade double.
I'm on my final letter, D. I'm on my final letter, and this thing has let me down on a scale unheard of on these final last tries.
Okay, that's it. You ready? Ow! That hurt my ankle, that hurt my back, that hurt my butt. That hurt everything.
I've just got to try to get you something, man. All right, Derek, the one we've been talking about. Yeah, this is going to be nice. It's been a long time since I've gotten one of these.
Broken trucks, Tony Hawk board.
Oh, no.
Last letter.
It has broken more.
What the hell?
If the board fully breaks, I lose. So I literally have maybe this one try. I literally think I have one try to land this, and then the game might just have to be forfeited.
There's no way. You're gonna have to do a trick standing still. There's no way you're gonna land. Just trying to fix it. Come on, MacGyver. You could have landed on that still. You could be right there. That is wild. That is wild. We can still finish it on this guy.
Nope.
He says no. Wow, I'm shocked. I mean, look at that. Straight up broke the metal in many pieces. Wow, you even broke the little thing off. Look at this. I've never seen anything like that. Literally broke the pivot cup, like the part that goes into the pivot cup. I don't know what you call that, but broke that piece off right there. All right, well, what do you got to say for yourself?
Well, let me be 100% honest. When I was right there and I was saying, you know, I don't get many of these wins, this is going to be real nice.
Yeah.
In the back of my mind, as I was saying that, exuding that confidence, in the back of my mind, I was like, if you find a way to lose this after that, it's a real problem. And then the skate god said, "Ha, watch this, buddy-o."
And broke your truck and
I got unked. GG's. Just know that I was going to stomp that half cab double flip first try, and it was going to be excellent. I wish you could have felt that in all its glory. That deck, the actual whatever composite wood that they use for that Pro 3 Signature Series,
Yeah.
I think is the best feeling, like, cheap
Board of all
Walmart
time.
quality board that we've ever used. Yeah.
Well, I'll probably make some sort of a hack video with this then.
Yeah,
if it's
I would keep it for sure because it's pretty good.
All right, well, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was a very fun playing that game of skate with Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz. And yeah, if you're brand new to skateboarding, you know what to do. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.